It's Jerry Zimmer here, the #1 Ford fan. In this video, I'm going to go through the iconic archives collection made by Ford for Ford enthusiasts. This is available online, and I'm going to walk you through all the interesting artifacts that you get inside this box. All right, straight away, it's in this beautifully made box with some embossed writing on it. You can see the embossed writing saying it's the archive collection, collector's edition. So it slides up in the sleeve. And then the first thing you see are all the badges. So we've got the current Ford badge there. We've got the old classic iconic Ford badge. We've got the V8 badge, and that V8 badge comes from the 32 to 38 Fords. Now this is the ZH Fairlaine badge. Of course the XR6, which we all know about. The Super Pursuit, which was the racing engine that they brought out in the early Falcons. The Ford Performance Vehicle badge. So this is the 50s and 60s Ford badge here. And you've got your 351 GT badge. Also, you've got a little plate here telling us that this is the collector's edition. So now that we've looked at that, we're going to look at what you see firstly there. There's a bit of padding in, which I've taken out. And then here is your job at Ford booklet. It's got Welcome to Ford Australia, and it talks about your job and your job description. And here it's got a bunch of interesting things, your payment plan in case you want to own a Ford, your insurance, safety instructions, and a whole bunch of other great leaflets in here. You also get the Ford Subaru badge. Now this Subaru badge probably came out with the, I'm guessing in the 70s. And that was a badge that was sometimes on some of the Fords, but it's the Subaru sticker. Now moving along to the booklet here, we've got the seriously chunky, thick book. And in this book, you have the Ford, written by Ford. There's just so much information. There's hours and hours of reading about the cars, concept cars, the Geelong factory. So much good stuff to read in here if you're a Ford fan. The icons, some of the old Fords, going through to the early Utes. And we're looking at the panel van here. The Mustang. Some of the internal workings of the cars. We've got the production facility as well. Looks like some wood models and some tunneling. We're looking at the Ford trucks as well. The engines, so you've got a feature on the engines. So if you're a Ford enthusiast, this book would be some serious good reading, and it would be a lot of reading for a long time. So that's the big, thick, heavy, chunky book that comes in the box as well. Now underneath this is some more goodies. And this is all your replica inserts. And so in it, we've got the, looks like the Cortina pamphlet, the Falcon GT pamphlet, all the Escort range, the 20th anniversary of Ford. Wow, we're like the Mustangs had 55 years, so it's been a while since that one came out. All about the F-Series, probably my favorite Ford is the F-Series. You've got the hardtop Falcon insert and so much more in here. So these you could actually probably make into posters, get them framed, have them hanging around the man cave, in the shed, in your garage, in your workshop. These would all be pretty cool to sort of have displayed openly. So there it is. That's the inserts box. So I hope you enjoyed my look at the Ford Iconic Collectors Series with the hardcover book, all the inserts, the Ford Employees booklet, the Subaru sticker, and of course all the iconic replica badges. I'm the #1 Ford fan. Thanks for watching.